Building a profitable YouTube channel, a step-by-step approach. Creating a profitable YouTube channel is not just a matter of uploading videos, it's a multifaceted endeavor that requires strategic planning, creativity, and an understanding of your audience. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube provides a vast platform for content creators to showcase their skills, share their knowledge, and connect with viewers worldwide. This comprehensive guide outlines a step-by-step approach to help you establish and grow a successful YouTube channel that generates revenue and fosters a loyal community. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. Define your niche. The journey to building a profitable YouTube channel begins with defining your niche. Selecting a specific area of focus is crucial for attracting a dedicated audience. Consider your interests, skills, and the types of content that excite you. Research the market to identify gaps or underserved topics within your chosen niche. For instance, if you're passionate about cooking, you might explore niche areas like vegan cooking, meal prepping, or regional cuisines. By zeroing in on a niche, you'll establish yourself as an authority, making it easier to attract viewers and keep them engaged. 2. Create quality content. Quality is the cornerstone of any successful YouTube channel. To capture and retain viewers' attention, invest time in producing well-crafted videos. Start by planning your content in advance, outlining key points and scripting your videos if necessary. Ensure your videos are visually appealing by utilizing good lighting, high-resolution cameras, and clear audio. Editing is also a critical step. Use editing software to enhance your videos, incorporate graphics, and maintain a professional appearance. Aim to provide valuable content that entertains, educates, or inspires your audience. Remember, consistent quality will encourage viewers to subscribe and return for more. 3. Optimize video titles and descriptions. To make your videos discoverable, optimizing video titles and descriptions with relevant keywords is essential. Start by crafting catchy titles that not only capture attention, but also convey the essence of your content. Research popular keywords using tools like Google Trends or YouTube's search bar to understand what potential viewers are searching for. Your video description should provide a brief summary of the content while including these keywords. Additionally, consider using timestamps, links to related content, and calls to action within your description to further engage viewers. 4. Utilize eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails serve as the first impression of your video and can significantly influence viewers' decisions to click. Invest time in creating eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your video content. Use bright colors, bold fonts, and engaging images to make your thumbnails stand out. Experiment with different designs to see what resonates best with your audience. An effective thumbnail not only increases your click-through rate, but also enhances your brand identity, making your content easily recognizable. Additionally, ensure your thumbnails maintain a consistent style to create a cohesive look across your channel. Remember, a well-crafted thumbnail can turn a potential viewer into a loyal subscriber by setting the right expectations for your content. 5. Engage with your audience. Building a community around your channel is crucial for fostering viewer loyalty and encouraging word-of-mouth promotion. Engage with your audience by responding to comments on your videos and asking for feedback or suggestions. You can also create interactive content such as polls, Q&A sessions, or live streams to encourage real-time interaction. This engagement not only strengthens the connection with your viewers, but also helps you understand their preferences, allowing you to tailor your content accordingly. By showing that you value their input, you'll create a loyal following eager to share your videos with others. 6. Promote your channel. Promoting your channel is essential for growth, especially in a competitive environment like YouTube. Utilize social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok to share your videos and engage with potential viewers. Join relevant online communities, forums, or groups to share your content and connect with like-minded individuals. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to cross-promote each other's channels and tap into new audiences. Consider running paid advertising campaigns to boost visibility, especially for your best-performing videos. The more exposure your channel gets, the more subscribers and views you're likely to attract. 7. Analyze your performance. Regularly analyzing your channel's performance is vital for understanding what works and what doesn't. Utilize YouTube analytics to track key metrics such as watch time, audience retention, traffic sources, and demographics. This data provides valuable insights into viewer behavior and preferences, allowing you to adjust your content strategy accordingly. For instance, if you notice that viewers drop off at a certain point in your videos, you may need to revise your pacing or content structure. Use these analytics to inform your decisions and continually improve your channel's performance. By identifying trends and patterns in your analytics, you can focus on creating content that resonates most with your audience. Consistently monitoring these metrics helps you stay adaptable and ensures your channel's growth over time. 8. Monetization strategies. Once you've built a substantial audience, explore various monetization strategies to turn your passion into profit. The YouTube Partner Program allows you to earn revenue through ads on your videos, but consider diversifying your income streams. Affiliate marketing is an excellent option. Promote products or services relevant to your niche and earn a commission on sales generated through your links. Merchandise sales, crowdfunding through platforms like Patreon, and sponsored content can also contribute to your revenue. By diversifying your income sources, you'll create financial stability and have more resources to reinvest in your channel. 9. Stay updated with trends. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and staying updated with trends is crucial for maintaining your channel's relevance. Keep an eye on popular content within your niche and adapt your strategy accordingly. Participate in trending challenges, discussions, or viral topics to increase your channel's visibility. Utilize tools like Google Trends or social media monitoring to identify emerging trends. Being flexible and willing to experiment with new formats or content ideas will help you stay ahead of the competition and keep your audience engaged. 10. Be patient and persistent. Building a profitable YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and dedication to see substantial growth, so remain patient and persistent in your efforts. Set realistic goals and celebrate small milestones along the way, such as reaching your first 100 subscribers or achieving a certain number of views. Understand that setbacks are part of the journey. Use them as learning opportunities to improve your content and strategy. Consistency is key. Keep producing high-quality videos and engaging with your audience. Over time, your hard work will pay off, and you'll build a successful channel that generates income and fulfillment. In conclusion, creating a profitable YouTube channel requires strategic planning, creativity, and a deep understanding of your audience. By defining your niche, producing high-quality content, engaging with viewers, and exploring diverse monetization strategies, you can set the foundation for success. Regularly analyzing your performance and staying updated with trends will help you adapt and grow in the ever-evolving landscape of YouTube. With patience and persistence, your channel can become a valuable source of income and a rewarding platform for sharing your passions. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button to support our channel.